The future of manufacturing is here, and it's intelligent. The global artificial intelligence market in manufacturing is projected to skyrocket to a staggering $20.8 billion by 2028, with an impressive annual growth rate of 45.6%. But why is AI such a game changer? Because it's the key to unlocking the full potential of your business. Tired of stagnant productivity, rising costs, and inefficient processes? AI-powered digital transformation is here to revolutionize your operations. Imagine seamless workflows, optimized inventory, enhanced quality control, and faster product launches. AI, coupled with powerful automation tools like low-code process automation, robotic process automation, and intelligent document processing, streamlines everything from supply chains to production lines. Leading manufacturers are already reaping the rewards. Take a global leader in building infrastructure. Nivitas helped them slash invoice processing time by 85% and eliminate duplicate work by a whopping 95%. A high-tech manufacturer saved $90,000 annually and cut costs by 40% with Nivitas. A leading steel manufacturer automated identification of potential customers with an AI-assisted prediction model and saved manual efforts by 60%. These are just a few examples of how Nivitas' intelligent automation platform can transform your manufacturing processes. Ready to join the future? Request a demo today and unlock the full potential of AI for your business.